Oh boy, what a great start to the day. Oh, hold up, Jen. Okay, so real quick, let me explain. Car broke. That's like the long story short. Basically, what happened was, car started up. I drove over here to Concord. I'm basically from SJ, and then I parked the car. I shut it off. Hang out with Jen for a little bit. We're leaving. Next thing you know, car doesn't turn on, or it cranks, but like it just doesn't turn on. Yeah, it's dead. So now we're like, had to stay the night here. Car is outside, and then like, bruh, low key, I'm just like fucking tired, man. like it's the fuel pump for sure, dude. But like, it just wasn't showing any signs of like nothing. It was literally running so fucking strong, and it's just done. Like, what the fuck, bro? We couldn't ask any better place to like for it to break. I mean, like, I'm thinking it's just something electrical. So we're gonna unplug the battery, reset the whole system, plug it back in. Hopefully that'll prime the fuel pump. If not, then the whole fuel pump's just fucking cooked, and then I gotta buy a new one. Rather just buy an OEM one rather than like the install the one that I have. Cause fuck, dude. I mean, so if I install the new one, I gotta go get tuned. I gotta get the injectors installed. I gotta get the intakes and all that fun stuff. Yeah, I don't think that car is gonna. Yeah, I don't know. As you guys can tell, like, I'm just really tired of it. But we're good. Don't got AAA, but support the channel so I can afford this stuff and give you guys more content. Like, this is like the last three months of the year, bro. They're always shitty. It's always the last 3 months. Is this my Canon event? Do I sell the car? Do I keep it? Find out next time. Let me try to get this thing running. Okay, what is up, guys? So, we've been using this and came to the conclusion that it is definitely the fuel pump because it's obviously wanting to turn over, especially when we spray the injector stuff, but it just doesn't want to start. So, fuel pump not priming, and then it's starting when it goes in, so it's definitely not getting fuel. So it is definitely the fuel pump, which I need to buy soon, which sucks because I gotta leave it here now. But yeah, we can fix it. We got it. All right, what is up, guys? We're taking the Camry for Corolla, whatever this is. This is Jen's daily, basically, but we're taking it back home. Thank you, Jen, for lending it to me. I got Jerry and some other VQ Society homies looking and asking around for just a fuel pump in the bay, just so I can get that shit fixed. But for surely, fuel pump, 100%. If not, I'm gonna go buy one online once I get home. We are very close to home. Kind of sucks that I gotta keep it out there, but shout out to all the homies that's been reaching out, saying, and like trying to help as well. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Really appreciate the VQ Society homies for helping me out. Thank you, Liam, for like helping me check the fuses, making sure it's not the fuses. But for surely, fuel pump, it's not getting fuel. I don't think I ever recorded it of us doing the brake cleaner method, but it's for surely not getting fuel because the fuel pump is gone. So, time to order something cheap online. Hopefully Ray has a spare one, but he's not answering his phone. I think Ro is still asleep, unfortunately. So, yeah, I'm going to try to reach out again. Maybe he doesn't have the number on this phone. Maybe he has it on that one, but we'll see. Okay, huge update, good update. So, Ray answered my call back, and he said the fuel pump will work. So the aftermarket fuel pump will work, and right now we are headed back. We just got changed and whatnot. Ray took his bike, so we're heading back right now to, I'm just backing up, make sure no one's there. Heading back to Jen's place, and we are gonna be going back to him in the middle of changing my fuel pump. Thank God. Thank you, Ray. Again, huge shout out to everybody that helped out, that reached out, tried offering help. I really appreciate every single one of you. Leo, Liam, Ray, Jerry's mechanic. Like, oh God, dude, where would I be without homies, honestly? For real. Like, the channel wouldn't really exist. Like, low-key? Like, Lokes? Like, they probably wouldn't be here. Like, I do a lot of things, and one of my homies, they're just like, hey, like, why don't you just do YouTube and, you know, like, show everybody, like, what you do? Like, day in the life. I mean, I do it for fun, obviously, because you guys don't get vlogs, but, like, plus, I'm also, like, very, very busy. Like, the last video was, like, broken up within, like, a month. That was, like, the whole month of October. Well, after my birthday, obviously, but didn't really do much. I'm just working a lot, trying to get the car ready. Right now, I just need tires. Really need tires. And then a wrap. Juan still got the bumper. Bumper's almost done. Juan said it's going to be done within like a week or two. He's just going to do the emblem delete. And then we just need to pick out a color for the wrap. Still don't know what color I want to choose. I still want to stick with a white, but I want to go matte. But like, I also want to do a blue or maybe like a midnight purple. But everybody does that. I'm still looking. But you guys, the comeback will be amazing. Right now, it's going to take about 50 minutes to get to Jen's place. We're going to be recording Ray. Huge shout out to Ray. Thank you so much for being available and helping me out. Really love that homie. Shout out to him. Go follow him. He's an amazing guy. He's a VQ tech too. So if you guys need help, let me know. Reach out to him. But with that note, you know, stay tuned. Hopefully the Z starts running again. So today has been a roller coaster of emotions. But good news. Car works, car runs. Thank you. Huge shout out to Ray. Like, I really fucking appreciate him and love that homie. For real. So, fuel pump works. This sounds a little different. I'll show you guys once me and Jen are about to leave. But yeah, he said it was just a simple swap. Since I'm running stock injectors, I don't really need a tune. But with that, I really do want to upgrade everything now. Just for more power. But I'll leave Ray's at top of description. Put it right here. Also, shout out to Jen for letting me borrow her car to go home and grab all my shit. So, yeah, we're going to be heading to the VQ Society meet later. Meeting up with the homies again. And we should be good. So I'll see you guys once we're out. Okay. Wait, don't you have TEs? That's crazy. The white on white. It's a little dark here, but dude, I love these. You can't even see it, but it's a Z32 on RPF ones. Fuck. Front bumper. The black ones?
Yeah.
I don't know. I like the clear ones better. It's part of the build.
Like, maybe a little more. Got more light?
It's good right there?
Yeah, you're good, Pops. You want a squeegee? He has a squeegee. Oh, you got a squeegee on your He knew he was getting put my BTO in.
Oh, fuck!
He's cooking. Hey, bring a squeegee. Nah, don't say that. Don't say that.
John booted.
John booted?
No more life for me.
Q50 Moya has been added to the group chat.
Oh.
Alright. Look where we are. Look what we got. Hell heads.
Hey.
What?
Yo, shit's about to go down.
Wait. You gotta speak in the mic. Just grab it.
How the fuck do you take it off?
It's a clip.
Fuck.
Oh my god, bro.
I don't use this shit.
This is what happens when you don't do YouTube anymore.
Take it off. Grab my cock, spit on it, and put it back in your butt. Anyways, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Julia. Yo, we active as fuck right now. I'm here with Jen. Say hi.
Hi.
Anyways, she's just my fucking driver tonight. That's pretty much it, right? Anyways, back to the fucking vlog with Kyle. Lame ass fool. I keep telling him, keep vlogging. Keep fucking vlogging and post me for clout. Clip me. Clip this shit.
This fucking guy.
ASAP. Fuck, your ass looks big, pa. I'll handle those. I'd handle that.
Chill the fuck out, fool.
Shut
Talking
up.
about my booty.
Shut
You know
up.
I'm a minor, right?
Anyways, pretend you didn't even see that stupid ass shit. Hey, Big Slump, check that out. Big Slump, baby. Big Slump. I'm gonna go record. Peace out, guys. Subscribe, like, comment banana emoji if you're seeing this, and I'll probably give you a free shirt ASAP. Listen to this. Yeah, I like that, huh? Kyle said this reminded me of him. My bad, I said that wrong.
Hell no. Give me that. I'm gonna edit it so that you would say it's me.
Shut up, fat man. ASAP, yo, guys, look at the fucking gassy shit. Look around, record that shit. Insane. Come, pull up. Look at that. Big slump, baby, big slump. Motherfucker front end. Don't fucking play with me. Who harder than us? Look at that shit. Keep it going, come on, let's walk. Walk. Look at this shit.
This fucking guy.
Ah! That shit red. Look at this shit. Look, bro. Fuck! Another one. Hey, lowest boy in the fucking ground, bro. Look at this guy. Come on, pull up. Pull up a picture of your exhaust. I'm gonna show them. Hurry up.
I'm gonna
Bro,
put a
look at
picture
this
over there.
shit. Get the rear banners. Big slump. Big society. Loyal to the companies, baby. Hey, look at my boy's exhaust though. Hard as fuck. This is why I love him. This is why he's my NorCal lead.
Oh.
What exhaust? Ah! Let's go. Pull up. Hurry up.
It's crazy.
Hurry up. This is the fucking photographer to know in NorCal, bro. Stop playing with me. Oh! Cameraman. All right, he's ugly as fuck. Oh shit, we about to get run over. We almost died. Ah! Anyway, we're done.
Hella dumb. Shit, that's a cute.
Forgot I hit record.
Nah, you're lying.
Fucking monkey, bro.
You're lying.
You stupid
It
ass
was already
fucking
recording.
fuck. Hey, he just took
This
a pig.
fucking-
He just took a fucking.
Nah.
Everybody get back in line.
Did you actually?
No, there's no way. He hit record, then he handed it to me.
There's no way.
Oh my god.
There's no way. Hey, it's okay. I got it on my side.
It's a simulation, bro.
I got it on my side. There's no
You gotta send
way.
him that. Alright, now you gotta redo the reaction. Take two.
I can't have this going on right now. No, the car's in the middle, just chilling.
We're gonna fuck up. There's somebody trying snacks.
Okay.
Okay. Snacks. Yeah, I fuck gas. We gotta not drive up the side. Yeah. Like, yeah, man. Hey, what's up, man? What's up with that guy? He's trying to get deck. Anyway, you really trying to get deck for 18 an hour? Crazy as fuck. Anyway, sub. Look at Gerp. Sheesh, Gerp, any words? Anyways, let's keep it going. Bro, I'm telling you right now. No, I'm just kidding. Gerp's like, what the fuck?
Crazy, bro.
They actually not hit
How cute
record.
Gerp is, though. Look at her.
No. I can't be on the internet, bro. I can't be on the internet.
Trim down the beard and everything.
This is for you, dog.
Alright, hurry up. Get this exclusive shit right here.
What is this?
This shit's nice. It's hella nice.
Thanks, man. Hey, who inspired you? Who inspired? Oh shit! Oh, this. See that? See that? See over there? I've seen that somewhere.
What is up, guys? Outro time. You know, you guys already know what to do. Like the video, like, comment, sub. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate every single one of the homies that reached out, asking if I was good, if I needed help, that's saying that they'll help me. Really do appreciate every single one of you guys. Huge shout out to Harry again for the last time. I know. I am just very, very appreciative of the homie helping me out. And also learned how to change my fuel pump. But that's good. But huge shout out to Harry. Check him out. He's gonna start doing mobile mechanic shit in the Bay Area. So give him a call or holla at him. Let him know I sent you. And yeah, but Harry, cool dude. Y'all are amazing. Z's back up and running.
running strong, running fine. Next up, we got to get tires, and then we got to get the wrap, and then we got to do a whole bunch of other shit. Almost done. Z's good. We're all good. Like, sub, comment. Yeah. Bro really wants to banner me up, but he said my fitment needs to be on point. And I need my bumper, so, like, yeah, I got, like, a couple things that's, like, fucked up with the car. But, yeah. Appreciate you guys again. You guys want to see more? Please like, comment, sub. I really do appreciate it. Yeah. But I don't know. We'll just end it here. See you guys in the next vlog.